some. I'm not fuller here. I'm going to take the cap off. Insert it here. Put it through. And then, and we're done. In a few seconds.